Phrasal verbs. Ask out, to invite someone on a date. Break down, to stop functioning. Bring up, to mention a topic. Call off, to cancel something. Carry on, to continue. Come across, to find something by chance. Get along, to have a good relationship. Give up, to stop trying. Look after, to take care of. Look forward to be excited about something in the future. 1. Ask out. Meaning to invite someone on a date. Examples. He decided to ask her out to dinner. Did you ask her out yet? She was excited when he asked her out. I'm too shy to ask him out. They have been dating since he asked her out. He finally asked her out after weeks of flirting. She hopes he will ask her out soon. It's nerve-wracking to ask someone out. He has a plan to ask her out this weekend. I think he will ask you out if you keep talking to him. 2. Break down. Meaning to stop functioning. Examples. My car broke down on the highway. The computer broke down during the presentation. He started to break down after hearing the news. The machine broke down and needs to be repaired. She broke down in tears after the argument. Don't panic if your phone breaks down, just restart it. The relationship broke down after years of issues. The old car finally broke down for good. His health broke down due to stress. They need to figure out why the system keeps breaking down. 3. Bring up. Meaning to mention a topic. Examples. I didn't want to bring up the past. She always brings up her achievements in conversations. Can you bring up the budget during the meeting? He brought up an interesting point during the discussion. Don't bring up that topic. It makes her uncomfortable. She brought up a solution to the problem. We shouldn't bring up politics at dinner. He brought up the idea of a vacation. I was surprised when she brought up her travel plans. You should bring up your concerns during the meeting. 4. Call off. Meaning to cancel something. Examples. They decided to call off the event due to rain. The match was called off because of bad weather. We need to call off the meeting for today. She called off the party at the last minute. He called off the search after 3 days. The company called off the project due to budget cuts. They will call off the trip if it doesn't stop raining. The school called off classes for the day. He had to call off his appointment. The CEO called off the merger with another company. 5. Carry on. Meaning to continue. Examples. Please carry on with your work. They decided to carry on despite the challenges. He will carry on the family business. Don't let anything stop you, just carry on. We will carry on with the project as planned. She carried on speaking even after interruptions. He is determined to carry on with his studies. The team decided to carry on playing despite the rain. Let's carry on with the discussion. They carried on the tradition for generations. 6. Come across. Meaning to find something by chance. Examples. I came across an old photo in the drawer. She came across a great book at the library. He often comes across interesting articles online. While cleaning, I came across my childhood toys. We came across a beautiful park during our walk. She came across some old letters in the attic. I came across an interesting documentary last night. They came across an abandoned building while exploring. He came across a lost dog in the street. I came across a helpful tutorial online. 7. Get along. Meaning to have a good relationship. Examples. I get along well with my colleagues. Do you get along with your neighbors? They seem to get along very well. My brother and I don't always get along. It's important to get along with your family. She gets along with everyone at work. I hope you and your new roommate get along. They have a hard time learning to get along. We used to get along great in school. He finds it easy to get along with children. 8. Give up. Meaning to stop trying. Examples. I will never give up on my dreams. Don't give up. You are almost there. She had to give up her job to take care of her family. He gave up smoking for his health. I wanted to give up, but my friends encouraged me. They told me not to give up on my studies. She finally gave up trying to fix the old car. If you give up now, you will regret it later. I don't want to give up before I've tried my best. It's hard not to give up when things get tough. 9. Look after. Meaning to take care of. Examples. I will look after your dog while you're away. She has to look after her younger siblings. Can you look after my plants while I'm on vacation? He looks after his elderly parents. I need someone to look after my cat. The nurse will look after you during your stay in the hospital. She always looks after her friends. I trust him to look after my house while I'm gone. It's important to look after your mental health. We need to look after our environment. 10. Look forward to. Meaning to be excited about something in the future. Examples. I look forward to our meeting next week. She is looking forward to her birthday party. We look forward to seeing you soon. They are looking forward to their vacation. I can't look forward to the concert next month. He is looking forward to starting his new job. We look forward to your response. She looks forward to spending time with her family. I always look forward to the holidays. They are looking forward to the movie release next week.